All right, let's learn how to play Jingle Bell Rock on the ukulele in the key of G. You can follow along right here. We're going to go over all the chords right now. Here's what you need to play this song. There's a couple tricky chords. Most of them are not too bad. So you need G, you need A minor, right there, D7. I usually use the easy cheater D7. You can use the bar chord if you want. You're going to need to play, what else? A7. Oh, that's easy. We like that. And then you're going to need G7, no problem. You'll need C, also no problem. You'll need E7, hopefully no problem. You guys, G7, E7, right? Super easy. Now, the only chord left that you might not know, or you might have a little challenge with, is C minor. So we're going to go third, we're going to bar the 3rd fret, and we're going to go up two frets and play C minor right there. Now why is that C minor? Because you've got A minor here, right? A, B flat, B, and C, right? Makes sense? Okay, so now you know all the chords you need. You can see them right next door to me here. Let's just go down and look at some of the phrases, and I'll kind of guide you through it. All right, so starts on G. G, ding, 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 ding. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bell ring. So that's A minor, D7, and then A minor, D7, A minor, D7, A minor, D7, D7. So it's all, just the 3 chords in that whole first part. So let's go from the top. 2, a 1, 2, 3, hey! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing to A minor, jingle bell, D7. Snowing and blowing, A minor, D7. Now the jingle hop has begun. Again, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chimes in A minor, D7, A minor, D7, A minor. Now the turnaround, A7, D7, G, G7, right? In the frosty air. Now you don't have to do the G7 there, but it's kind of fun because it's going to what a bright to C. D, 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 to G, 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 G. And A7 is a swell time, and D7. Boot, do, 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 do. And then it's the same as the first part, except it's not. Let's go through the last part. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the... And then instead of going to A minor like the first couple parts, we go clock to E7. And then it's crazy, it goes straight to C. Mix and mingle in a jingling beat. That's the tricky part right there. So C, mix and mingle in a jingling beat. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. So C, A, now I usually, A7, D7, G. All right, so, not too bad. I just recommend practicing the last 2 lines, or just the last 4 lines. Do giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. By the way, if you're doing this with a group, if you're a song leader and you're doing it with a group, make everybody pick up their feet. It's really funny at that point in the song. Hand out some jingle bells, go around like that. I'll do a whole, I do a sing-along version of this. So if you want to hear the track I have, watch that video. It's linked below. And if you want to get the song sheet, you can do that here. You can get the play-along audio and the song sheet at patreon.com/Kalani. If it's around the holidays, of course, try the Ukulele Holiday Challenge, and you could win an ukulele. Who knows? I think that's exciting. Please subscribe before you click away. And I want to thank you for joining me here on the Ukulele Club channel. I'm Kalani, and I want to say I hope you can get out and play some music for folks, cheer them up, get into the holiday spirit. All right, rock out with your jingle bells. See you soon.